Morning everyone, welcome to day 9 of the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. Today's challenge is going to be our second part of our project, which is it incorporates the scissor jack. So let's have a look at our project today. So this is our challenge for today. This is one of the uprights for our scissor jack, which is again in third angle projection on the orthographic scale. This particular part is 250 across the body with a 2 lots of radiuses at 12.5. Obviously then 12.5 is 2 on each side, so a total of 4. 2 drill holes, 10mm diameter, and we have this little floor piece which is 5 high. A bit like yesterday, it's just working on the same skills, keeping this repetitiveness going. So today's challenge, look at this. And then this is going to be then part of our block work, which we're going to include then for our assembly. So hope you guys have fun. Let me know how you're getting on, and stay tuned 6 PM for the solution. Thanks guys.